Of course, it can't be rhombus. Why? Because opposite sides are equal. They are not, all the sides are not same. Similarly, it can be a square also. So either parallelogram or it can be a rectangle. Now we have to find whether what is it. How to find it? How can somebody say something is a rectangle? We have studied this in our earlier standards. Suppose if the diagonals are equal, then it's a rectangle. So if you have to find what AC and BD. So try it. AC is what? 7 minus 1 the whole square plus 9 minus 1 the whole square. See this AC, 7 minus 1 the whole square, 9 minus 1 the whole square. And BD is what? 9 minus minus 1 the whole square plus 5 minus 5 the whole square. That is 10 10. If you solve this, you will get it 10 10. So diagonals are equal. That's why it is a rectangle. Opposite sides equal, diagonals equal, so it's a rectangle. Next, 4 vertices of a parallelogram taken in the order minus 3 minus 1 AB 3 3 and 4 3. What will be the ratio of A and B? Here, these are the vertices A, B, C, D, and these are taken in order. Okay, so we want the ratio of A is to B. So this is a parallelogram. So the these diagonals will bisect each other. So that's why OB will be equal to OD and OA will be equal to OC. Okay. Coordinates of O should be same for AC and BD, right? AC and BD. Coordinates of A should be same as the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So by midpoint formula, midpoint AC means for AC. Midpoint is what? X1 plus X2 upon 2 and Y1 plus Y2 upon 2. So take it for A and B. A and C basically. Minus 3 plus 3 upon 2 and minus 1 plus 3 upon 2, right? This A, this C. X1 plus X2 upon 2, Y1 plus Y2 upon 2, right? So that is a midpoint of AC. But what is that given? That should be equal to the mid. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.